The Jamaican sun kissed Tamoya's afro curls as she led Peter, a bewildered Welshman, through the bustling streets of Montego Bay. Peter, all pale skin and nervous smiles, clutched his crumpled map like a lifeline. "Right this way, Mon," Tamoya chirped, her voice a warm melody against the city's rhythm. Peter had arrived in Jamaica a week prior, overwhelmed by the vibrant chaos and struggling to connect. He'd booked excursions he hadn't attended, preferring the solitude of his sterile hotel room. Then, he met Tamoya, hired for a local experience tour. Tamoya, with her boundless energy and infectious laughter, saw right through his anxieties. She didn't just show him the sights. She introduced him to the soul of Jamaica. She took him to hidden jerk chicken stalls, the aroma of spices swirling in the air. She taught him how to say, "Irie," without sounding like a caricature. One afternoon, they sat by the turquoise water at Doctor's Cave Beach. Peter confessed he felt like an outsider, lost in a culture he couldn't grasp. Tamoya smiled, the sun glinting in her dark eyes. "Jamaica isn't just beaches and music, Peter. It's the spirit of the people. It's sharing, laughing, living in the moment." She pointed to a group of locals playing dominoes under a palm tree. "Come on," she said, pulling him to his feet. "Let's learn to play." Peter hesitated, then a slow smile spread across his face. He fumbled with the dominoes, laughing as he made mistakes. For the first time since arriving, he felt a genuine connection, a sense of belonging. Tamoya clapped him on the back. "See, Mon? You're getting the hang of it." As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, Peter felt a profound sense of peace. He looked at Tamoya, her afro curls silhouetted against the fading light. "Thank you," he said, his voice thick with emotion. "You've shown me the real Jamaica." Tamoya winked. "Anytime, Mon. Just remember, I revives only." She knew Peter would be all right. He was finally experiencing Jamaica, not just observing it. His holiday, and perhaps a little piece of his heart, had found its true home.